I will show you an easy way to capture screenshot by holding the home button only. Press and hold home button will take screenshots and gives you 3 options: save, share and crop. Tap on crop and select the region to be cropped. And now tapping share or save button will share only the selected portion of the image. Go to Play Store and search for Screenshot Assistant. Screenshot Assistant is a replacement for Google Assistant with the sole purpose of taking, cropping and sharing a screenshot. The app is free to use and works pretty well once configured. The primary function of Screenshot Assistant is that it allows screen captures to happen right from a device's home button, but it goes quite a bit further in expanding the usability of Android screenshot tools. The app will enable users to crop screenshots and shots can also then be shared with relative ease. There are a couple of ways that is an improvement over the stock method. Overall, that makes it a pretty great tool to reduce the total taps needed for those users who like to use screen captures to share news or images via social media or messaging. It also makes things easier for those of us who just love to customize our device's launcher setups or home screens before showing them off online. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to hit the like button below the video and share it with your friends. If you want to see more videos like this, then click subscribe and join us.